Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, see this thing guys. You can see guys, this is onion, and sometimes we call it onion. So guys, don't call it onion. It's onion guys. The correct pronunciation is onion. So these are onions, not onions. Okay guys, and let me tell you one more word guys, which is, see this thing guys. This is garlic guys. You can see this is garlic, but this whole thing guys, this whole thing is called garlic bulb. You can see guys, this is a mother type thing. This is garlic bulb. Let me tell you one more interesting word guys. Guys, you can see this fan guys. This fan is moving clockwise. Clockwise means ये पंखा सीधा घूम रहा है, and this fan is moving anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise stands for Hindi guys. ये उल्टा घूम रहा है. Means guys, clockwise सीधा घूमना and anti-clockwise उल्टा घूमना. Thanks for watching guys, and please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thanks for watching.